Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. 6 good reasons why you should eat apples with peel. Apple peel contains many fibers, vitamins, protects against cancer, and that's not all. Apple peel contains many different useful ingredients, and this is the reason why you should not clean the apple before consuming it. There are a lot of fibers in the peel. The average apple contains 4.4 grams of fibers, and without peel, the value of which decreases to 2.1 grams. There are a lot of vitamins in the peel. The whole apple contains 8.4 milligrams of vitamin C and 98 international units of vitamin A. When we remove the peel, these values are reduced to 6.4 milligrams of vitamin C and 61 international units of vitamin A. Apples will protect you only if you consume them with a peel. The component that is responsible for weakening the breathing process when using an apple is called quercetin, and, as you believe, it can be found in the skin. The study showed that people who eat 5 or more apples a week have healthier lungs due to the effects of this compound. Quercetin is also good for your memory. This antioxidant plays an important role in the fight against tissue damage in the brain and is associated with Alzheimer's disease and other degenerative diseases. Apple peel works to prevent cancer. The compounds, which are collectively called triterpenoids and located in the skin, have the ability to inhibit or kill cancer cells. These compounds are best suited against cancer of the liver, colon and breast cancer. A successful fighter of obesity. The apple crust also contains ursolic acid, which is an important component in the fight against obesity. It stimulates muscle growth, but burns calories and reduces the risk of obesity. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.